In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Facebook pixel to Shopify store. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, a quick explanation of what we're doing and why it matters. The Facebook pixel is a small piece of code that helps you track customer behavior on your site, measure the effectiveness of your ads, and build custom audiences for retargeting. Shopify makes the process straightforward by handling the actual installation for you once you connect the right accounts, so you don't need to paste any code manually. Begin by signing in to your Shopify admin. Use your normal Shopify credentials and arrive at the main dashboard. From here, you'll navigate to the sales channel that integrates with Meta. Look for sales channels in the sidebar, then select Facebook and Instagram. If you haven't added this sales channel yet, you can add it from the sales channels list, but the core flow starts from this Facebook and Instagram section. Once you're in the Facebook and Instagram area, open Settings. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Customer Data Sharing. Depending on your store's current configuration, you may see a button that says Start Setup. Click that to begin the guided connection process. The setup will walk you through linking your Facebook presence to Shopify. Follow the prompts to connect your personal Facebook account, then your Meta Business Manager. You will also connect the appropriate ad account. At this point, you'll select the specific pixel you want to use. If you don't have one already, the setup flow gives you the option to create a new pixel. Take a moment to double-check that you've chosen the correct ad account and pixel, especially if you manage multiple businesses or ad accounts. After you link those accounts, you'll be prompted to enable data sharing. Turn data sharing on and confirm your selections. Shopify will show the different data sharing levels. Choose the level that meets your privacy and tracking needs. Then confirm. Once confirmed, Shopify automatically adds the pixel to your store, so there's no manual code insertion required. A couple of quick tips to finish. Make sure the Facebook account you connect has the necessary permissions in Business Manager and on the ad account. After setup, you can verify the pixel in Facebook's Events Manager, or use the Facebook Pixel Helper browser extension to confirm events are firing correctly. That's it. Your pixel is now connected and ready to help you measure and optimize your ads.